Hey everyone! Today let's dive into something we all think about but rarely break down, the real traits of success. Now, when I say success, I'm not just talking about money or fame. Success is personal. It's about achieving your goals, living your dreams, and being genuinely happy. So what are the traits that drive real success? Let's get into it. First up, resilience. Life throws curveballs, right? Things will go wrong, plans will fail, but how you bounce back is what really counts. Resilience is your ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Think about your favorite athletes or entrepreneurs. They didn't get there without facing setbacks, but they kept pushing through. So next time you hit a snag, remember it's not the end of the road, just a detour. Next, let's talk about discipline. It's not the most glamorous trait, but without it, success is almost impossible. Discipline is what gets you up in the morning for that workout, even when your bed feels like heaven. It's what makes you finish that project when Netflix is calling your name. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. And trust me, those moments add up. Another big one, adaptability. The world is changing faster than ever. New technologies, new challenges, new opportunities. Being adaptable means you can roll with the punches and adjust your plans on the fly. It's about being flexible and open-minded. So, when something unexpected comes your way, don't freak out. Think of it as a chance to learn and grow. Now, let's touch on passion. Passion is what fuels you. It's that fire in your belly that drives you to chase your dreams. Without passion, it's easy to lose motivation. So find what you love and let it guide you. When you're passionate about something, work doesn't feel like work. It feels like a mission. Last but not least, let's talk about gratitude. This one might surprise you, but being grateful for what you have can actually help you achieve more. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. It keeps you grounded and positive. And a positive mindset is crucial for tackling challenges and staying motivated. So, there you have it. Resilience, discipline, adaptability, passion, and gratitude. These are the real traits of success. They're not always easy, but they're definitely worth cultivating. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing forward, stay true to yourself, and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on living your best life. See you next time.